Why are we getting that?
Oh yeah.
Was that for real?
Oh, we didn't tell you?
Oh my god.
Oh, you're getting cold hard cash.
How much?
What's good, everybody? We are back with another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti. And we are here today at the world-famous Griffith Observatory. Now, we know these people here know their astronomy, but do they know their anatomy? Do they know about human body and health? Let's go ask around and find out. All right, sir, what is your name and where are you from?
My name's Martin. I'm from London, UK.
Chris from New York.
David, and I'm from Santa Clarita, and it's Diana.
Hi, I'm from LA.
I'm Delaney from Orange County.
I told her I would take her out to dinner if she wore the cowgirl hat.
So it looks like someone's getting dinner tonight.
And this is our first date.
Let's cut to the chase.
Yeah.
Are you feeling confident? Are you feeling smart?
No.
I'm not smart, but we're gonna get these right because I'm gonna win some friggin' money.
Yes. Which gland produces human growth hormone? Is it A, the thyroid gland, B, the pineal gland, or C, the pituitary gland?
I have no idea.
Let me, hold on.
See.
You sure? You're not gonna consult me?
C.
C.
Ding, 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 that is correct.
Yay!
1 for 1. So far, so good.
So how much did we win? Nothing yet.
Nothing yet. They're
Pituitary
getting street
gland.
smarter.
All right,
Yeah.
street smart. That's more book smart. I'm street smart.
Pituitary gland actually produces most of the important hormones, including like the ones that make you grow, ones that help digest food, trigger childbirth, and give you pain relief from adrenaline rushes.
Oh, really?
So the pituitary gland
That's
is
pretty useful.
Yeah, that was an easy one. Yeah.
Okay, well for Chris it was, not for me.
What is RH factor? It's a protein that A, is on the surface of red blood cells, B, transports oxygen, or C, makes bones grow.
Is it A?
Now I'm like an A. It's on the surface.
Let's go with A. We'll go with A.
A?
Woohoo! 2 for 2! It is A!
Ow!
Why don't you
This is Chris's interview. Hey, you know what? We're not winning anything technically, but we'll see.
No way!
The rhesus factor is actually what makes blood types positive or negative. Positive means you have an inherited protein, and negative means you don't.
Interesting.
Getting nervous now.
Where is your sacrum bone located? Is it A, the center of your chest, B, your lower spine, or C, the back of your skull?
B.
I'm taking a guess at B.
It's the tailbone.
It's
Right
what
in
was
the
the second?
tail.
What was the second one?
The base of the
lower
spine.
That's it.
If we had a tail, that's where it would be.
Ding, ding, ding! That is correct!
Thanks to my
we did it.
chiropractor. Yeah. It's your sacrum.
Hey! B is the answer!
Never do a street smart interview without Chris.
Boom! That's it! 3 for 3! Martin! You did it! Woo! This sacrum, and you mentioned the tail, right? So, even animals that still have tails to develop, or animals with tails, horses, dogs, even they have a fused sacrum.
Why are we getting that?
Oh yeah.
Was that for real?
Oh, we didn't tell you?
Oh my god.
Oh, you're getting cold hard cash.
How much?
Count it. 20. 40. I don't know, you earned most of it. And then you two break this in half, 50. $50 right
Look
here.
at that. Thank you very much.
So guys, looks like dinner's on Dherbs tonight, baby.
Yeah.
Serious?
50 smackaroos for
No
you too.
way. Are you kidding?
Oh yeah.
I'm David, and this is Diana, and we just won the Street Smart Challenge.
Thank you, Dherbs.
I'm Delaney from Orange County.
I'm Chris from New York, and we just won the Street Smarts Challenge.
Thank you, Dherbs.
Hi, I'm Martin, and I just won the Street Smart Challenge with Dherbs. Cheers for the bobs.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. We had 3 winners today, baby. Got to hand out some money. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.